Welcome to Alia's Food Diary. Let's start. In a medium-sized bowl, mix the flour, baking soda, baking powder, brown sugar, salt, Once the dry ingredients are mixed, add the milk of your choice, vanilla essence, and coconut oil. Once everything is fully incorporated, add the chocolate chunks or chocolate chips, whichever is available. On a baking sheet lined with parchment, form the cookies using 2 spoons. Top with even more chocolate chunks. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. If you like crispier cookies, add a couple minutes to the baking time. Let them cool down for 5 to 10 minutes while you clean everything up and maybe read a chapter from Mightier Than the Sword. It's a nice book. Carefully lift the cookies off the baking sheet using a spatula. That looks amazing.